Imagine logging into your workstation tomorrow morning and realizing that you have been completely outperformed while you slept. An artificial intelligence system has already finished your entire weekly workload, executing complex directives faster than you could read the initial email. This is often treated like a future scenario. However, current data shows this is a present-day reality for thousands of roles. This flowchart demonstrates current multimodal generation. These systems instantly produce long-form articles and high-fidelity images at scale. The output now extends to full-motion video and complex software architecture, tasks that previously required teams of specialists. Organizations adopt these tools to lower their overhead costs and recover thousands of operational hours. This combination of software capability and corporate incentive creates an immediate risk for workers who rely on traditional methods. To understand the actual risk, we must look at how these systems are integrated into a real-world office. This diagram breaks down a typical daily workload. AI specifically targets the dense block of repetitive tasks. When the machine absorbs routine chores, that block dissolves. This shift allows complex strategy to expand, occupying the person's full capacity. Removing administrative clutter like data entry allows workers to focus on relationships and high-level problem-solving. AI functions as a mechanism for reshaping the workday. The human intellect remains necessary, but its focus moves away from the manual and toward the strategic. We can contextualize this change by looking at the last century of technological shifts. Artificial intelligence follows the same predictable cycle of disruption we've seen with every major industrial tool. Popular narratives often frame this as a conflict, where machines eliminate the need for people, but history shows a different pattern of integration. When the steam engine arrived, teamsters transitioned into locomotive engineers. When the spreadsheet was introduced, bookkeepers evolved into financial analysts. These examples show that survival depends on using the new tool to expand a professional role. Success has always required this specific type of collaboration. We are seeing a divide open in the job market, and the metrics for professional value have changed. A clear gap is forming between those who use AI tools to amplify their work and those who do not. This chart shows the difference in output over time. The unassisted worker follows a linear path, while the worker using AI tools achieves an exponential increase in efficiency. The software sitting on a server is incapable of replacing you on its own. Your actual competitor is the person who uses that software to produce 10 times more than you can. Remaining relevant in this economy requires an immediate shift toward AI literacy. Future security depends on winning the race to master these tools before your peers do.